You're so cute. Oh, you're so cute too. That's Moonbeam. That's Flower. My name is Steven. Welcome to the channel, guys. Just want to start this video off by saying thank you so much for all the support I've had so far. It's been overwhelming. I'm going to try and keep up the videos coming and the Instagram content as well. Now, I have been getting a lot of messages on Instagram recently telling me that I should feature my car more often. And trust me, I'm going to do that. This actually, this video, we're gonna talk a little bit about my car and also get some exhaust clips in there as well. But first, we actually have to go to the post office today. I've got some Hot Wheels here that I have to give away. I did an Instagram contest. Picked a random winner. All they had to do was like and comment on my picture and tag some friends, and they won these Hot Wheels. So we're gonna mail those out today. My winner of the video is Shinigami Net. This is his Instagram here. If you guys want to go give him a shout on Instagram, give him a follow. He's trying to hit 1,000 followers, and I think he said he's going to do a giveaway as well. So make sure you go check my guy out. But first, let's go ahead to the post office and get these guys their Hot Wheels. I just realized how dirty my car is, so of course it wouldn't be a video without me washing it. We're at the post office now. We're going to send these off to our winner. I'm going to plan on doing a lot more giveaways on Instagram and also on my YouTube. I'm thinking about doing it maybe every 1,000 followers on Instagram and every 100 subscribers on YouTube. So of course today, we're giving away the 3 Hot Wheels. So let me know in the comments below or on my Instagram what you guys want me to give away. Start doing that a little bit more often. Try and keep excitement around the channel. So let's send these off to our buddy here. All right, man, we got those Hot Wheels in the mail there for you. They should be there by this Friday, or maybe even by the time that you see this video. So like I said before, let me know if you guys have any good ideas for some giveaways I can do in the future. Again, thanks for subscribing to the channel. Right now, we're gonna go take my car somewhere, and I'll give you guys a good little look at it, what I've done to it so far, and maybe some exhaust clips. Let's hit the road. Guys, we are in the middle of nowhere in North Carolina. I just wanted to take a few minutes to talk about my car, what I've done to it so far, and what I plan on doing to it in the future. What I have is a 2013 Scion FRS. I've done a little bit of work to it so far, not way too much, so it still has a long way to come, but so far I really like the way that it's coming together. I got this car about 1.5 years ago. I think it was in September of 2017. And I bought it bone stock from a Toyota dealership. Had about 50,000 miles on it. So far, I think I have about 88,000 on it, so I've definitely driven it all over the place. What I've done to it so far, big thing, it's going to be, I've got the SARD LSR style carbon fiber wing with some extension brackets on it. Believe it or not, these mounts actually came black from the factory. And over time, being exposed to the sun, I guess they just kind of turned bronze. I do plan on painting them black again, but believe it or not, I've gotten quite a few compliments on the bronze, so I guess it'll look fine for now. Moving forward, I got the Valenti black and white sequential taillights. I really like the look of these. The first time I saw an FRS or BRZ that had them on there, I knew I had to have those. I like the sequential turn signals. You can turn them on and off. I got these from I got these from FT86 Speed Factory. After that, I've converted all the badges on it to Toyota. Got the Toyota badge, the GT86 badge, all inside. It's all Toyota now too, and same with the front emblem. On the suspension, it's a Scion Street Basis Z. I actually have it lowered as low as it'll go right now. I'll probably raise it a little bit more back up, especially when I get some wheel spacers. Don't like how the back wheels are not flush with the fenders, but that's okay. That's an easy fix. I'll get the right measurements on those and put those out. I did swap out the stock wheels for some aftermarket wheels. To me, they kind of look like the TE37. I really can't afford the TE37 right now, so I wanted something as similar. They're definitely not as lightweight as the Volks, but that's okay because I don't really track the car anyway. Although I might go do some events for some future videos to bring some interesting content for you guys. And then moving forward, we got the Tsudo SE Lightweight exhaust. The car came with a stock exhaust. Pretty much the next week after that is the first thing I did is I bought an aftermarket exhaust for it. The exhaust I got for it after that was not very loud. I really liked it, liked the way it looked. It had the titanium tips on it, but it just wasn't loud enough or more aggressive for me, so I started looking for a new exhaust. I actually found a guy locally who wanted a stock exhaust for his Scion FRS, and he had this Tsudo SE Lightweight Catback. It's completely non-resonated, no cats on it. It sounds really good. After that, I got a Tanabe Catless front pipe. So pretty much catless from the header back. The next thing I do want to do to it is get a unequal length header. So let me know in the comments below what you think I should do as far as that goes. I know there's a lot of brands out there, but I want to make sure I get one that's affordable, 2, it sounds good, and 3, it's going to last a long time in my car. So let me know what you think I should do next to it. But I'm thinking I'm going to get the header next after I get the wheel spacers. The interior, I haven't done way too much, but it is an automatic. I know that triggers some people. Trust me, sometimes I do wish I got the manual, but every other car I've ever had before was a manual transmission. So it is kind of nice to have an automatic, although I rarely drive it in automatic mode because I really like paddle shifters. As you can tell from most of my videos, I'm super into supercars, so it's definitely not a supercar, definitely not fast at all, but I do like the paddles. What I did to those is they were kind of short, so I got some carbon fiber paddle extensions. I got this from FT86 Speed Factory. I really like them. It's easier to shift whenever you're driving more aggressive. It's easier to hit the paddle. I call those triggers because every time somebody finds out my car is a automatic, it triggers them. So here's my hater triggers. Just kidding. I got the TRD carbon fiber little thing here. This is where the heated seat button I guess would normally be. Instead it was just a blank little hole there, so I got a little TRD carbon fiber piece to put in there. I actually like the way it looks, like the way it sets off the interior. And of course I got a armrest because the Scion FRS and BRZ does not come with an armrest for whatever reason. So they do in Europe and other countries, I think. So I did get that. My wife actually got that for me for Christmas, and it's probably one of the best modifications, believe it or not, that you could do to this car because it makes driving long distances way more comfortable. One thing is you have to keep it closed if you want to have a drink in the car, but that's okay. I do want to do some exhaust clips for you guys. I think the car sounds really good the way it is, but of course, once I get the headers, it's going to sound a lot better. Give it more of that Subaru rumble. But right now, it's pretty loud. Not too loud, but it's got some good back pops, some good gurgles to it. I like it when I can downshift and really hear it popping and banging. And it does the rev match with the automatic transmission as well. So it's not too fast, but it's a lot of fun on the back roads. I know the biggest thing with these cars is that torque dip and the lack of power. Trust me, I wish it was way faster, but it's definitely a really fun car to drive, especially if you live in the middle of nowhere. See, there's a lake, like me. The back roads make it a lot more fun to drive. I'm going to do some pretty fun videos with this car moving forward. I think we're going to line it up against some interesting races to see what it can and cannot beat. So we'll get to that in a little bit. But here's some exhaust clips for you guys. Let me know how you like it. It was very, very easy to install. Like I said, the exhaust is very lightweight. So I think it sounds good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. think what I'll do now is I'll give you guys a little inboard footage of what the exhaust sounds like. There's quite a bit of drone in the car, but I really don't mind it. I like hearing my car. So here we go. I get that header on there, it's going to give it a lot more of that Subaru rumble. Definitely be a little bit more aggressive, so hopefully we'll get that set. And just like that, we're back home. If you guys like what you see in today's video, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel as well if you're not already. Again, I really appreciate the support, guys. I'm going to keep trying to make as many videos as I possibly can. Like I said, I've got some exciting ones I have planned out, so hopefully those work out, but you got to stay tuned. They'll be coming very, very soon. Until next time, guys, I'll see you again. Peace.